Let's start to cook my homemade popsicle. We use 1 liter of water and we sift the cassava starch. I'm going to cook guys popsicle, homemade popsicle with strawberry flavor and mango flavor guys. Then we are going to mix it well. Then we're going to turn on the fire and mix it constantly guys till the cassava starch is cooked or it will become look sticky already. Here we go guys, it looks sticky already. And then the next guys, we are going to put the condense on it, and we are going to add guys a sugar, white sugar on it. I don't have the video for the white sugar that I put, so we just put a white sugar on it guys, a little bit for the taste. And then we are going to put guys the 1 can of evap, 1 can of evap and 1 can of condense, and mix it well guys till it will fully cook and sticky. And here we go, we are going guys to separate it into two because we are going to put a mixture, a mango flavor and a strawberry flavor. So it's up to you guys what flavors you feel like to put in here. Here we go. We are almost done of separating into two. And then after that, this one guys, you are going to put the tang juice for the mixture. This is the mango flavor, and mix it properly. After you mix it well, you put the other flavor. This is the flavor guys that I mixed already, the strawberry flavor and the mango flavor guys. And after this one, we are going to transfer all these to the plastic cup. I'm using 3 ounce guys in here. Here we go guys, everything is on the plastic cups already, 3 ounce. And after this one guys, we are going to put all the popsicle sticks in here. Let it cool guys and hard a little bit, and then we are going to put the popsicle sticks on the top. Here we go, I start putting the popsicle sticks guys on the top. Well, here we go guys, everything has a popsicle stick already. And we are going to put all these guys in the freezer. Well guys, everything is in the fridge now. And once it's hard already, I'm going to show it to you guys how it looks. Well, here we go guys. We're going to soak a little bit in the water so that we can take it out from the plastic cup. Here we go guys, looks nice and looks tasty. Hope you like it guys. Enjoy watching. This is my strawberry and mango popsicle.